Beginning of civilization. Flow of Nile never stops. Ere clans and genres rise and fall. Saints and sages, kings and queens leave imprints for future calls. Menes, Khufu, Khafre kings, Canaan, Teuton, Ramses great, for silent sheep and Solomon faith stemmed the tide to time's weight. Sphinx, pyramids, and hieroglyphs, mummy, mortuary, temple, and tomb, painted walls and masks of gold, Karnak, Luxor, symbol, Som, papyrus writing, pillars, and combs, make a mark by telling the tale. Ere human race have travelled along, all along the Nile Day. Make the race and peace with time, faith and duty with labor and fame. Pharaohs, using the human mind, always tried to win the game. Flow of Indus, match the Nile in thoughts of gods and gifts of nature, whirling life and death together. Time moves the soul of creature. God revealed the Vedas teaching, answering questions, who am I? What is the purpose? What is the life? Whither I come, to go and why? Denying themselves words of pleasure, mystics, saints, and numerous pages kept the torch of light burning, pace by pace in all ages. Jeev, Jeev and Brahm, the same divine. Nature cares both of them. Earth, gemmed with heaven light, work to Jeev as soothing scent. Kind and chaste with liberal line, truth and love as walking rod, too generous, faithful, selfless God, serving man is serving God. Euphrates and Tigris tantalize, base for culture human race, cradled Kush or Babylon like, Sumerian moved with fasting praise. Surplus food. Surplus food, division of labor, public works and cuneiform, religion, teaching, irrigation, system, ruler, law and norm. Moving first in the wheeler vehicle. God from Ziggurat guided them. War or peace or testing times. Glory acted like a saint. Hammurabi, the great Gilgamesh the builder, might the power of Sargon, brought the wealth, peace to region, never before the human dawn. Mesopotamian and Hanging Garden, always on the fore of front, first new names in the civilization, motive for wood and current. In the laps of river yellow, China bloomed with Indus well, taught the world the cast of bronze, and made the temples ringing bells. Spring silk with delicacy, clothed the kings with finest robe, working hard and tapping tide, filled the belly of the mob. A great strides in care of people, body puncture first, time seen. Use of leaves and bark together, commons cured with interest keen. Making paper gift of nature. Raise the learning of every clan, gain of man and loss of kind, easy to jot and note the plan. All time great a human venture. One will find in China's wall thousands of queens in terracotta guarding king at every call. Minoan, Mycenaean and Mediterranean raised the hope of world to come, heralded Greeks and Romans forum, hardy boats and palace plum. From the house on Mount Olympus, gods of Greece be mourned and blessed. Zeus, Apollo, Aphrodite, Athena, Pose, also guest. Sound body, sound mind, Hellenic beauty be the prank. Truth must win at all attires. Socrates, Plato led the ranks. In polity, science, philosophy, logic, great Aristotle left the mark. People's rule a writ of Solon, Hippocrates a light in dark. Herodotus, Pythagoras, prince of learning led the pace. Art and goodness, love for life, filling Greece with finest race. Voice of Zeus in vase of Venus, bubbling life, all for fame, raining fun and faith together, jostling in Olympic Games. Zeus statue, Artemis temple, Rhodes Colossus, piece by piece, beginnings of democracy, glittering glory, that was Greece. Old order changeth. Old order changeth, yielding place to new. Phoenix flames itself to rise from the ashes new. Wisdom of man and might of mind, showering gifts from godly home, coupled with thoughts of Hellenic culture, all roads leading soon to Rome. Republic, care and food after all, columns, arcs and roads they chart, laws, calendar, circus trade, medical systems to lethal art. Colosseum, Forum and fabulous bath, temples, totem, Latin to cake, marauding might of their legions, made Mediterranean a Roman lake. Cicero's, Sulla's, Caesar's reign, Trajan's lived for learning trade, with government polity, Platonic bite, Rome became a glory great.